Welcome to the channel where I help people better understand supply chain planning. Today we're talking about the make-to-stock MTS production strategy. Under this model, companies manufacture products based on forecasts and stock them in inventory, ready for purchase. The goal is to accurately anticipate consumer demand and have enough finished goods on hand to fulfill orders rapidly. In an MTS environment, manufacturing occurs in bulk prior to an actual customer order being received. Companies try to maintain sufficient inventory levels to meet fluctuating customer demand. For example, a toy company would start manufacturing popular toys months in advance of the holiday season when most sales occur. Having adequate stocks ensures products are available for delivery during peak periods. There are several advantages to make-to-stock. Improved efficiency. Producing in bulk enables companies to benefit from manufacturing economies of scale through longer production runs. Unit costs are lower compared to make-to-order low-volume production. Faster fulfillment times, products are completed and can ship to customers almost immediately after an order comes in, enhancing satisfaction. Balances uneven demand. Building up inventory acts as a buffer against variability in customer demand. Stock is on hand for seasonal peaks and troughs. However, MTS also comes with risks such as overproduction. Forecast errors can lead to excess finished goods that find no buyer. Unsold inventory ties up working capital. Storage and carrying costs also accumulate. Stockouts. Demand predictions may be too low, resulting in shortages during periods of unforeseen high sales. This frustrates customers and impacts revenues. Understanding historical demand patterns is key to optimizing make-to-stock production. Companies combine insights from previous sales, market research on buying behaviors, and assessment of market conditions to estimate future demand. Developments like improved data analytics are helping manufacturers fine-tune MTS planning.